Hello and welcome to another Doing Stuff with me beard. This is part 2 of playing around with wiring on the car. The edit was getting too long, so I've broken it down into 2 videos. So let's just get on with it, shall we? So currently what I want to do is figure out what wires go into this. Fucking hell. Right. Okay, so this one also needs to go back, because this... Right, there's my labels, so I can do this whilst I remember. Reverse lights, switch. We're winning. Reverse light, switch. Because I will totally forget what that is. Oh, not at all. There we go. So this one. So that's that bit. Yeah. So I know what these two are, so I need to get these away from all this other stuff. So get the early learning scissors. I think some of this is like the random, they've got like on the wiring diagrams noise suppressors and things, so I'm guessing that's what some of that is. Oh my god, what is this? It's all part of this, so some interesting splicing. Oh. Right, let's squeeze. Okay, let's do this so that I can try and at least sit down. Let's get that away from there. I don't know if this is a lift or a... tits. No, buddies. There we go. Cool. We can move this to a more comfortable position. Oh, and it came apart because I broke it. Sweet. hope that's not that important. There you go. I'll have a gratuitous crotch shot for a while, whilst I figure out this mess of electrical tape. Oh, I love these scissors. So that's igniter. I don't know what that's for. Probably something similar. Currently have no idea what this is for. But this is all reverse light switch, I think, and washer motor. That seems like a lot of wires. Right, so the red and the black were the reverse light switch. Got an earth in there. We'll figure it out. Currently these are all the same little loom, so that will do for my level of needing to know for now. Ugh. God, I hate this stuff so much. It's just grim. Ugh. Oh no, that's okay. Getting a bit worried that it's a little bit tangled up into here. So I think this is this is definitely a ugh. Yeah, I need to separate this one at some point because it's tied around everything. There we go. And then I've gone and separated the wrong one. No, I haven't. Oh wait, no. Oh no, that goes. Why has it stopped? Oh, just signal issues. Car finance. Yeah, I think you can fuck right off. Block. Block list. Yeah, I'm assuming this is some sort of thing that's related to the whole Let's go full undo if I can. In for a penny, in for a pounding. I wasn't planning on doing it this way, but I don't think needs must, but I just want to see what goes where and what colours are coming out of what. Because, say I've got a random little earth wire here. No idea what that attaches to. Right. That is definitely separate. For some reason at some point so don't think I need to go any further with that, because that's definitely those 4 wires for that one. So let's I will also still try and keep these together anyway. Yeah, this isn't exactly thrilling viewing, so I'll stop for a bit. Okay, I stopped filming and literally seconds later I figure something out. So, what we've got, still the reverse switch and the wiper motors. Now, this random little earth here was with those is actually part of these. So what you've got is this comes back and joins in with this. These two join into here, and those two are a joiner there, which goes into this, which went into the ignition coil. And then that, I don't know what that plugs into, but it's ignition related. Because I haven't found the male for it to go onto. But what I will do is tape those up and label them ignition. Because that's what all of that is. In theory, I won't be using any of that, but ignition. And that would make sense, it having these little weird blocks on it, because I think they're like, I saw on the wiring diagrams noise reducers, and the last thing you really want is random electrical noise on your electrical based ignition, if that makes sense. Well, that's how I simplify it for my very simple brain. Right. Alright, let's keep going for a bit. Let's see if I stop filming again and come across another bit of very useful information. Do I save the part number for the wiring loom that I can't get a replacement for? Yes, but I don't know where I'm going to put it. Ugh. Like I say, this stuff is so flipping grim. I'll take a break in a minute, I think, and get something to eat, because I have kind of forgotten to eat anything since breakfast. Right, wrapping up now, because I'm kind of done for the day. So I've done quite a bit. I've managed to label up all the plugs for the lights. As I've mentioned, I've got the wiper motors, and I think I found the horn wiring. There is also, so I've done the lights for both sides, the fogs, the indicators, the main lights, the side lights. Main lights are quite obvious because they've got the big plug, but the other ones are a little bit awkward. I do still have some random bits that I'm not entirely sure of, but I've managed to separate out sort of some of the ignition stuff. Obviously this hasn't changed, this is still most of the engine loom. I've got most of the tape off here, and I will get the rest off camera, because it's not particularly interesting to film or watch. But yeah, this side, the driver's side, all the stuff is inside the car now. So when I get my PDM, I can mount it, and then what I'll probably end up doing is bringing it back out again, but I will play around with wiring lengths and stuff, because I want to try and, I'm not going full clean engine bay, but the whole point of what I'm planning on doing is to tidy the engine bay up as much as possible. So lead all the wiring out of view as best as I can, adding clips to hold things in place as if I need to, that sort of thing. So yeah, I think some good progress has been made. I haven't obviously completed the job, but what I will also do is something similar for the rear wiring at some point. Yeah, just the print offs that I've got have been very useful. They've got all the little wire colours and things on, and useful little images that make it easier for a numpty like me to figure out what's what. So that's been really helpful. So hopefully be able to easily do the same for the rear wiring, because I still haven't found, well, I'm not entirely sure which wires are the ones that goes to things like the fuel pump and stuff, but I'll probably end up redoing those. I'm not sure yet. Like, I want to upgrade the fuel pump that's in here. Going to go in here anyway. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm a bit knackered. So yeah, on that note, as always, if you've watched to the end, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one. I don't think, hopefully won't be wiring, but you never know. I have no plans for these videos, so you'll get what you're given. Bye for now.